AC volt, DC volt. No temperature set. It says AC test in progress and the high voltage is on. Always remember, this is a unique ID allotted to each successful test completed. If the test is not completed, there will not be a unique ID allotted to it. The AC is now discharging. AC test complete. Here you get the progress message. Now it's doing a DC test. It says DC test charging. It will charge for 1 minute. You see, there is no temperature, so it does not have to wait for the temperature to reach. It can just do it at the actual temperature mentioned over here. DC test charging complete. Now it is doing the measurements. The maximum it takes is 90 seconds for doing a measurement. It could be always lesser than that depending on the specimen signal. But the maximum it will do is for maximum 90 seconds. Because the oil cell is empty at the moment, probably the resistance over here will be very less. So it might show you 0, 0, but that's because there is no oil inside. This means it is discharging, and it will show you the message as well. Discharging, please wait. Once it is discharged, it will collect the results and populate the screen. It takes around 60 seconds for discharging as per the standard, where it basically shocks both the plates of the oil cell so that it is completely discharged. Now it's discharged, and you see this result over here. This is the tan delta of the empty cell, the capacitance, the tan delta, the electric constant Oh, it started on the next step because it's now heating it to 50. Let me just stop this. I will just run you through the main points. Here you can see the reports. You can say show all and it will show all the results, or if you have a particular test ID you put it here, or a sample ID that you put it here, and it will retrieve the results accordingly. If you want to print it on the printer, press print. If you want to save it, press save. Just let me take one reading for example. Here I have this result, and the moment I say print, all my data over here, and here is the test results. For all these steps, there is a different result table. So this is how you can print your results. If you insert a pen drive over here and give a name to the file and press save, you'll be able to save it in the pen drive in a text format, which is very similar to this, and you can print out on your own printer. You can go to graphs. You can give multiple test IDs. And say voltage versus tan delta. That's how it will plot a graph. So you have options of temperature versus tan delta, temperature versus resistivity, voltage versus tan delta, and voltage versus resistivity, to give you a more better feedback about the trend of your results. You can do a backup as well. You just insert a USB disk, you can back up your data, and you can restore it as well from the backup. And if you don't need to do anything, you can simply log out back to the main screen again. Have a happy time using your oil tan delta and resistivity test set. Thank you.